Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Darth Nihilus lightsaber. It is a Xenopixel lightsaber from Art Sabers. As of today, it is $379 US. When you purchase this lightsaber, it comes in a big carrying case. This is the carrying case that will come with your lightsaber. It will have locks on them. Once you open the box that your lightsaber has came in, you'll see there are a bunch of things in the box. You're going to be getting a hard carrying case, a user manual, an Allen wrench. There are 4 screws total. There are 2 different sizes. There is a USB Type-C cable, blade plug. It comes with a plastic lightsaber stand. It can come in a 36, 32, or 28-inch Neopixel blade. And then, of course, the Darth Nihilus lightsaber hilt. I really like the design of this lightsaber. It's really nice. It is like very shiny. And it is very easy to leave fingerprints. This thing has my fingerprints all over it. This lightsaber is going to come with 11 interchangeable colors that you can choose from. It's going to come with 20 custom sound fonts. I've already had this customized. I ordered this and received it like over a week ago. But when I went on the SD card, there's technically 34 fonts. That being said, unfortunately, even though this is a Darth Nihilus lightsaber, it does not come with a Darth Nihilus sound font. However, you can spend $10 and you can get the Darth Nihilus sound font on this lightsaber. There is a font maker named Kyberphonic, but he has a Darth Nihilus sound font called the Lord of Hunger. I had that font as my first one. This lightsaber does come with flash on clash. It comes with blaster deflection and lockup, and it also comes with tip drag, which is honestly pretty cool. It does, of course, have smooth swing, and it has a 2-hour battery life. I have the blade plug in it right now, but I'm gonna take out the blade plug. I'm going to put the blade on, and I'm just gonna real quickly just kind of show you. Well, I'm gonna show you first the Nihilus font, and show you what the red looks like, the sound, and the smooth swing. Honestly, this lightsaber is just so cool. I honestly still can't believe that I have something like this. Now, just a reminder, when you're tightening it, you want to make it super tight, but do not over tighten it. Over tightening it will crack the blade. This is what the lightsaber looks like with the blade on it. It looks like this. So to turn it on, you just gotta hold the button while it's off. It just said power on. So I'm gonna demonstrate the Darth Nihilus sound font that I've purchased and programmed onto this lightsaber from Kyberphonic again. This will be on the high setting, and to do so, you just press this button right here, wait for it to blink one time, and it will change the volume. Volume high. And this is what the sound font looks like. Here. This does have flash on clash like I mentioned earlier, so you can also press the button and it will do it too. So I'm gonna now put it on low because that honestly is really loud. It will, if you are outside and you live in a neighborhood, this will wake up your neighbors. Like I said before, this does come with 11 interchangeable colors. This also comes with some like really cool blade ignitions and blade effects, like flame. It comes with unstable, which is like the Kylo Ren effect. It comes with the ignition that Rey has on her lightsaber at the very end. This comes with motion control, so you could set it to where you could like thrust and it would activate it. Thrusting does not unactivate it. I have it set to off. But you can also twist it to the right or counterclockwise. You can twist it to the right to make it ignite too, to turn it on, and then back off. It does come with a rainbow blade. Honestly, it looks pretty cool. You can press and hold the button 2 times and it will kind of like cycle through the colors like really slowly and like kind of like transition through them. So I'm just going to show you real quick. So it's like a white now, it's a yellow, turns into a red color, and it's still, honestly, red's the best. Here's like a pink, goes to like a purple, like Mace Windu Revan type color, goes to like that white, and then a light blue. It's a really cool looking light blue. It's transitioning into a green color. So you can do like a Luke Skywalker, or like a Yoda maybe. Goes into that yellow like Rey. Back into white, like the kind of like Ahsoka. There's the pink purple again. And then here is the blue. I'm gonna freeze on the blue, but it's a really cool blue. Yeah, this is just really cool. So this is the darkness sound font. This is the fiery effect. It's pretty cool. I really like it. But yeah. It does have a Kylo Ren font. So this is the Kylo Ren font. So this is what that looks like. It just kind of flashes because it's unstable. There is a Darth Maul font. Okay. The Darth Maul plays the famous music. Also, red blade. Okay, so this is the Rey font. It's going to be her yellow blade. It did her like special ignition that she had on her lightsaber. But yeah, it's the yellow blade. So Luke Skywalker, it's green. Here's the Obi-Wan. But yeah, you can't go wrong with an Obi-Wan font. Here's the Revan font. Kind of goes in a monologue. So yeah. Okay. Next is the Dark Saber. So the Dark Saber sounds like this. Has that sound to it. It's really cool. Yeah, also white. Has that sound. So, like I said, there are many blade effects and ignition effects, but I will not be showing it in this video. If you want to see it, I can make another one. A very well-in-depth video of all the effects that this lightsaber can do. So this lightsaber, I am going to give a 9.5 out of 10. This lightsaber honestly is really cool. It is really easy to spin. It's pretty good. I love it. I love the design. Can like easily like hold it with 2 hands. Has that really nice part at the top where you can spin. Yeah, you can't really hate this lightsaber. I highly recommend this lightsaber. That'll be all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next video. Hopefully in a couple months or less. Maybe a month, maybe a week. I don't know. We'll see. Bye.